There's just how much snow is in front of my door. It's like, say, it's at least over 2 foot. Better? Hope it is. Come on, man. Come help me. Yes. See? Got it snow. See some sunlight here. There's the sun. It's not doing anything, is it? It is. Looks beautiful. Man, I like this. It's all white. The last time we got this was like 10 years ago. It was back in '99, I believe, in January. So, you know, after 10 years we get another one. I mean, it ain't bad. Kind of like it, you know, once every 10 years. It's nice. Hey buddy, clean your car. That's why we have accidents, you know that? Yeah, I do the same thing. Who's knocking? Oh, that's my girl. Okay. Hey girls, come help me. Come help me. Yeah. Look at all this snow here. Oh man, this is crazy. Yeah, yeah. Look at this truck. Looks like Twilight Zone here. Man, you gotta admit, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Good thing tomorrow I'll work in a warm place. Thank God for that. Man, it's getting sunny here. Love it. Come on, everybody. I invite you to Chicago.